Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Easy Connection Proton Saga. First, locate the appropriate ports on your Proton Saga's head unit and your mobile device. Most models feature a USB port, and some may include an auxiliary input. Next, confirm that your connecting cable, whether it's a USB or AUX cable, is fully compatible with both devices. Before proceeding, always power down your mobile device and the car's audio system to prevent any potential issues during the connection process. Now, with both devices powered off, take your chosen cable and firmly insert one end into the designated port on your mobile device. Then, carefully plug the other end of the cable into the corresponding port on your Proton Saga's head unit. It's crucial to ensure a snug fit at both ends. A gentle wiggle can help confirm the connection is secure and fully seated, preventing any interruptions later on. With your device physically connected, it's time to power on your Proton Saga's audio system. Access the head unit's menu and select the appropriate input source, which might be labeled USB, aux, or Easy Connection. Look for options like Mirror Link or Easy Connection within the settings. Follow any on-screen prompts to finalize the pairing process, which usually takes just a few moments to complete. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your mobile device and the Proton Saga's head unit often resolves minor glitches. Also, regularly check for software updates for both your phone and the car's infotainment system, as these can improve compatibility and performance. Finally, always use original or certified cables. Generic cables can sometimes cause connectivity problems or reduced audio quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.